呢架係法國仔買嘅新車，呢啲全部都係真嘅皮，佢好自豪咁同我講，但係其實我冇乜感覺嘅。同埋好神奇就係一個法國人同埋一個香港人喺架車度播緊韓國歌。我哋而家出發，我哋唔係去 Airbnb， 我哋係去法國仔屋企直接。我啱啱就 get ready 啦，沖咗涼刷咗牙，就要出發去附近嘅超市。咁我一陣間咧買完嘢食咧，就同大家講下究竟法國人嘅屋企係點樣。超級整齊呢度，同埋佢哋好中意用一啲係草同埋建築物嘅混合體。哇！呢個好似 BB 車咁樣。Is it common to use like this?
Yeah, and you can put two.
Wow, it's just like Hong Kong. We have the same. 買三文魚食。哇！佢呢個勁似餃子啊！Is it dumpling?
Yeah, it's a French dumpling. Italian dumpling.
You know how to cook it?
Yeah, very easy.
哇！勁好笑啊！呢個第一次睇喎。What's that? What's that?
Same.
佢哋真係有好多唔同種類嘅 cheese 同埋佢嘅價錢係變化好大。呢個1個8，呢個2個幾，呢個3個7。呢度係亞洲區啊！但係其實我冇睇過喎，所有 brand 都冇睇過。哇 ！They have this one。黐線去到邊度都有 ginger tea， 好啲。買咗先。盒裝。
You know, they come in like this.
盒裝嘅。
They come in plastic. You have to put in the water, and the rice fills the water, and so then you cut the plastic.
Ah.
It's like plastic rice.
What is the point of putting the plastic inside the water?
Because then the rice.
我買咗勁多 olive 嘅 ginger tea 啦，一啲 lotion、雪條，仲有呢個我唔知乜嘢，臘腸。Put all the sausage together with the cheese, I guess.
No cheese.
Sausage with rice.
No rice. Nothing else than sausage.
Huh? So how can you cook this one?
You don't have to cook it.
Just eat it. Saucy sauce. 香腸再鹹少少，但佢又唔係臘腸，中間凍嘅都可以咁食。但我即刻諗起世衛話呢個係致癌物，我唔敢講啊，都咁好買到貴。Okay. 100 euro for the pan.
So 150K just for the pan.
煮呢個三文魚，佢話呢個鍋係好貴啊，800蚊港紙啊，呢個唔 get 啦。我屋企嗰啲係100蚊我諗。呢個就係我喺法國嘅第一餐啊！佢有橄欖油同埋橄欖同埋三文魚，而家主打一個健康嘅節奏。非常彩色嘅地鐵站，佢哋而家第一站就要去巴黎。嚟講我都唔知去巴黎做咩嘅，就睇法國仔應該點樣 plan。佢話去睇下鐵塔同埋行下 cafe。韓國人嘅習慣同巴黎人都幾似喎，中意坐 cafe。呢一度去巴黎大概半個鐘左右。我住嘅位算係法國偏西嘅地方，幾偏下嘅。哇，好靚啊！佢哋真係好中意綠色嘅嘢。我哋而家啱啱到咗巴黎啦 ，yes。Imagine what?
Paris was like this when Koreans were living in Hanoi. Already like this.
You sure?
Yeah. This is 1700s.
作為兩個曾經住喺韓國嘅人，第一時間居然去飲 bubble tea， 之後再去鐵塔度影相，笑死！聽聞啊，法國人佢係幾中意 bubble tea， 幾盛行㗎呢一度。呢個叫做 Kantox 嘅 department store 咧，係世界上 Is it the first?
No, we're gonna go to the first after.
One of the
Second
first.
after, yeah.
One of the first department store in the world 啊，係充滿歷史嘅。我哋要飲呢間 Machi Machi 啊，聽聞好出名。This is in Chinese. Oh, there is Chinese. 應該台灣嘢嚟嘅。Never mind. Maybe both. 後邊已經見到韓國人，呢度嘅韓國人都幾多㗎。What is our next stop?
Galerie Lafayette.
Oh, first department store in the world.
In my opinion, it is very subjective. The most beautiful.
The most beautiful.
In my opinion, but you can have other.
Let me試下，我睇下法國人嘅審美觀究竟係點樣。起碼至少比我好咯，我覺得。歷史上第一間嘅 department store 同埋法國仔話最靚嘅 department store。好靚啊！呢度啲畫充滿色彩。我哋繼續行上去。哇！睇下呢度。但係呢個我覺得佢唔係個商場個特色，呢個純粹可能係一啲 pop up 咁。潮流之都 Paris 潮唔潮先？下邊仲有啲衫喺度添。
It's not that expensive. 16,000 euros.
60,000，哇！ 差唔多10萬喎。我啲族人啊，老百姓唔識欣賞，20幾萬啊呢個袋，唔得真係唔得。Luxury 我係真係完全唔識欣賞，要等我有啲閲歷先。我嚟咗歷史上第一間 department store，哇好靚啊！嗰個 artistic 嘅感覺。不過我仔啱啱同我講話，呢一間 department store 咧喺全世界已經收購咗好多其他間。The end 咧呢一間呢一個位置咧都係最吸引人同埋最賣得好，都吸引咗好多世界唔同嘅 brand 啦，進駐咗呢一間 store。法國嘅靚嘅位係佢好多都係好 consistent 咁樣起咯。呢個建築物同呢個建築物擺埋一齊咧，係唔會有違和感。我哋下一站就去 Opera 度睇下啦。But what is the history of this opera then?
Do you know what's opera, right?
I know.
Yeah, exactly. Then they built it for opera
Do you-
shows.
As a French, do you watch a lot of opera?
Never. But people that go there, it's actually very hard to get ticket. It's very expensive, and you have to be super fucking fancy to get it.
What is the famous opera? Do you know?
No idea.
Me too. 呢啲嘢都唔係我啲法國逐漸識嘅欣賞嘅嘢。好多人話法國好污糟，但係睇落去咧，我又唔覺得好污糟。個地下唔係話真係超級爆炸污糟啊。OK， 我覺得可以接受到喎，大家睇下。真係污糟咩？個地下唔污糟，全部都係乾乾淨淨。可能我而家係一個 I think so New Jeans。哇，咁出名去到 New Jeans 添喎。可能我而家呢個位咧係購買區，所以比較乾淨。呢度係啲人 before 有 shopping mall 之前，通常可以行嘅一條街。具體嚟講我都唔知喺邊度嚟㗎啦，但係行下咯，睇下發生咩事。啲人係住喺呢一度㗎，可以咁咪對住啲窗咯。They are facing the window each other.
It's very current in Europe.
Ah, is it relatively cheaper? Huh? Because of the area here, right?
Everything is insane.
而家入咗少少啲小巷度，睇下發生咩事先。Are we going to the Asian market
Yeah, not market, just the area.
area? Okay.
Not
Okay.
Asian area, but specifically Japanese and Korean area, not Chinese.
哦
Chinese area is separate.
哦，中國嘅 area 係另外一個群體裏邊，所以我哋而家就行下睇下會發生啲咩
Chinese
事。
are so many, they have many different areas. They have like 3 or 4 Chinese areas, 3 or 4 Chinatown, but only 1 Korean and Japanese.
呢度全部都係日本嘅嘢食啊，但係佢冇開喎，didn't open.
It's already people are not eating at the time.
Ah, still very French. The other side, outside, everything. Is it the government to control that you have to build like this?
It's already built.
我慢慢地 feel 到點解啲人會好想留喺歐洲或者喺法國，而且個感覺係好多人都好 classic。你好少見到呢度有好 dramatic 嘅穿搭啊，大家都好似走緊 grand 啲嗰啲路線啊，無論係打扮啊、衣着啊，都係好簡單嘅。但係你又唔會話係好無聊咁樣咯，好神奇啊！呢個國家真係。What is the name of this garden again?
Palais Royal.
Again?
Palais Royal. Royal Palace.
A royal palace. Palais Palace.
Palais Royal.
哇，好整齊！呢、個就係大名鼎鼎 Emily in Paris 嘅場景，好整齊啊！同埋你發現呢度啲人係好中意戶外，佢哋唔似日本、韓國咁樣好中意喺室內度坐咯。全部都係企喺出邊食嘢。啱啱法國仔講咗下點解巴黎嘅建築物咁一致，係因為好耐以前佢哋嘅國王有一個比賽咧，就叫啲建築師咧盡量整靚自己間屋，最靚嘅可以免 tax。喺拿破崙嘅時代，佢決定咗冚晒成個巴黎嘅所有嘢，然之後再重新起過。所以由一個人去決定成個 city 其實係用咩顏色啊 colour tone。咁所以原來巴黎就係綠色加 beige 色嘅感覺。呢個 round lap 我哋買到嚟法國，我之前 top 添啊有呢個獎牌。因為太陽實在太曬，所以我嚟咗呢個 cafe 度食一個好似 brownie 嘅 macaron。
When I say that.
勁硬到咩事啊？幾好味！我覺得嚟巴黎旅行嘅話，有一個好處就係佢哋所有景點都好集中，基本上你行5分鐘又係另一個 department store，5分鐘又係另一個 opera。想行好多路啊，或者你唔想每個景點都隔好耐，要搭好多車嘅話咧，嚟巴黎就唔錯㗎啦。同埋我覺得好神奇嘅一個位就係呢一度嘅種族融合度都好高，你會 feel 到唔同種族嘅人喺呢度都係好 respectful。呢度嘅嘢好 consistent， 好 J 啊，所有嘢都你唔係好估到呢度嘅亞洲人係嚟自邊啦，分唔到嘅，你就覺得法國人。之前我喺美國嘅時候，你會好明顯嘅 feel 到種族同種族之間係有好大嘅分別。雖然講英文，但係英文嘅口音都唔同。但呢度你會即係可能我聽唔明法文啦，因為你係好難透過佢衣着去分辨呢個係邊 越南人，呢個係日本人，好難，基本上分唔到。原來大家都變咗一個法國人。同埋我都有問法國仔點解呢度嘅種族衝突好似冇咁勁咁樣。佢話其實都有嘅，大家都好認同法國文化，但係佢話相比起白人嚟講，黑人始終都係做緊啲比較低技術或者人工 generally 係比白人低嘅。Do you want to stay here forever? Why?
Move obviously. It's important to discover new things all the time.
好舊嘅鐵路，但係就舊得嚟都幾靚嘅，好有歷史感咯，我會話。其實我去旅行咧有一個癖好，我無論去邊個地方啦，我都會想去嗰啲 tower 度睇下成個城市係咩樣。即係我有一種征服呢個城市嘅感覺。我哋而家就要去呢一棟叫做 Montbalice 嘅一個大廈度睇呢個城市嘅全貌。呢棟大廈都有棟估嘅，就係一開始佢哋起呢棟嚟嘅之後咧，就覺得太高同埋好樣衰，哇，好恐怖！咁一開始佢哋起呢一棟大廈之後咧，發現起完之後成個城市咧覺得樣衰咗，佢哋決定喺巴黎嘅中心咧唔可以起高過7樓嘅大廈，所以大家見到而家巴黎嘅狀況，你係唔會見到好高嘅樓咯。
And there is another rule: no building in France can be taller than the Eiffel Tower.
哦，since when?
Since the Eiffel Tower was built, so you will never see a building like the Seoul Tower or New York Tower.
They're really concerned about this thing 嚇。
Yeah.
而家已經係夜晚8點，但係個天仍然係超級光亮。俾大家睇下，我以為而家係下晝4點咯。法國仔話通常10點歐洲先真係入夜。我哋而家喺附近揾一間餐廳，係法國仔話呢度都幾好味嘅餐廳，咁我就跟佢啦。但係因為我哋兩個都好想去廁所啊，但真係揾唔到廁所。呢站咧係冇廁所㗎，某啲地方去廁所仲要俾錢。呢個 concept 係咪好新穎咧？我哋先揾到廁所先，好急啊，因為真係爆炸，都幾靚喎。呢度係以前係一個舊嘅鐵路站，所以新裝修就變咗好靚嘅一個地方，可以俾人食嘢。法國仔話呢度係成個歐洲最大嘅餐廳。嗱，最大咧呢樣嘢我就真係唔係好清楚啦。我問咗佢有冇 fact check，佢話有喎。而家仲有少少 jet lag，所以我就嗌咗呢個脆肉瓜意粉。咁個樣好似好唔清淡，但係喺我 menu 之中揾到嗰啲 burger 啊嗰啲之中最清淡嘅一個選擇㗎啦。而家我開始 jet lag 嚟啦，係夜晚黑8點。食完呢餐就翻屋企休息下，因為畢竟我都係今朝先嚟到機場，已經即刻有咁多行程跑嚟跑去，食嘢先咁樣，即係做晒所有嘢之後再拍片。哇！瞓啊，真係〜